finally made it. What a day. What a day. So my first stop was a nature preserve. I thought the girls and I could do a little walk, no more than an hour, and then we'd hop back in the car and head to the next stop, which was a waterfall. Well, I'm not good with directions. I didn't pick up a map for the preserve. I got lost in the preserve. I finally made it out in someone's backyard. I pulled my phone out. Thank God I had it on me. I had gone 4 miles, 2 miles in the wrong direction. The girls were hot. Maisie was dragging me. So I got on the street. Don't you know, those people in their cars were looking at me like I was crazy. I was crazy. A couple of miles, like a mile in, because it was going to take me that long to get back to the street that we turn on for the preserve. Maggie laid down and wouldn't get up. She was hot. That was it. She was done. I was done. But I had to pick her little butt up, and I carried her a half a mile. Maisie pulling me the entire way. At one point, Maisie even laid down and said, "That's it, Mama. We're not doing this anymore." I finally got back to the preserve. The girls drank 3 bottles of water. I drank 1 bottle of water, and then we headed out again. I spent 3 hours at the preserve. Those girls slept for a good 2 hours in the car. Hey, come back. Let me tell you about the semi.